Trouble with Windows Update error 802000053. Let's fix it in Windows 11. Stay tuned. Click the Start button and select Settings. Click on System, then select Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Click on Windows Update and hit the Run the Troubleshooter button. Follow the on-screen instructions to repair the Windows Update issue. Click the Start button, type the control panel, and launch it. Click on the Windows Defender Firewall option, then click Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off from the left pane. Navigate to the Private Network Settings and Public Network Settings, then click the radio buttons for the Turn off Windows Defender Firewall, not recommended, option. Exit the control panel and restart your PC. Left-click the Start button, type CMD, then click Run as Administrator. Type the following commands and press Enter after each one. Netstop, wowserve. Netstop, crypt svc, netstop bits. Netstop, si server. Run the following command, one after the other. renc, Windows au software distribution, .old, renc, Windows O, system 32, catroot 2, catroot 2. Old type the following commands and press Enter after each one. netstart wowserve, netstart crypt svc, netstart bits, netstart msi server. Exit the command prompt and restart your PC. Click the File Explorer icon on your taskbar to open the app. Navigate to Local Disk C, right-click on it, and select Properties from the drop-down. Click on Disk Cleanup, then click the Cleanup System Files button. Check the boxes for Windows Upgrade log files and temporary Windows installation files, then click OK. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.